Navigating the Cryptoverse, beginner-friendly crypto investing apps. Diving into cryptocurrency can be like venturing into the great unknown, with equal parts excitement and trepidation. When you're a beginner looking to start investing in Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, what you want is a lantern in the dark, a user-friendly platform that doesn't just help you understand the complexities of the blockchain, but also ensures you don't trip over in the cryptographic labyrinth. First up is Coinbase. Think of it as the friendliest hand to hold as you step onto the crypto playground. Coinbase specializes in clear-cut navigation and simple explanations, ideal for those of us who don't speak fluent blockchain. It's about as mainstream as it gets, which, in the crypto world, translates to higher degrees of safety and trust. Next, we have Binance. It's like the multi-tool in your crypto toolkit. With a focus on trade variety and depth, Binance offers a more extensive range of cryptocurrencies if you decide to go beyond Bitcoin. It's relatively straightforward, and also has its learning resources to help you get Yeti-sized footprints onto the crypto trail. For those of us who like to keep it minimal, we have Cash App. Yes, the same one you might already be using to send dinner money to friends. Cash App allows you to dip your toes into Bitcoin waters, and that's it for now. But for simplicity's sake, it's like the cozy cafe around the corner, comfortable and familiar. Let's not forget eToro. Here, you can simulate trades first to get the hang of things. A bit like a bicycle with training wheels, eToro lets you take a mock run through the crypto racecourse before you speed off with your investments. Last, but certainly not least, we've got Kraken. This one strikes a balance between comprehensive features and user-friendly experiences. It's like the espresso shot to Coinbase's latte, a little stronger, a little more robust, but still something you can sip on without overdoing it. Oh, and a quick side note, investing in crypto is risky business, akin to juggling fire. The prices surge and dip like a roller coaster designed by a caffeinated thrill seeker. Always invest what you're ready to potentially bid farewell to, as you would when heading to the casino. And be sure to enable all possible security features these platforms offer, like two-factor authentication. It's like the seatbelt in your investment vehicle. You wouldn't drive without it. Stay informed. Stay vigilant. May your crypto journey be as scenic and rewarding as a stroll through the Portland Japanese garden on a crisp autumn day. Good luck. Coinbase. https://www. Coinbase.com/Binance. https://www. Binance.com/Cash App. https://cash. App/eToro. https://www. eToro.com/Kraken. https://www. Kraken.com/.